grandfather.
You know you have last night?
How I go on last night?
Mr. Grandson, the next door neighbor them, me say, the two girls them over there, if you hear them talk about who do the best position, who's head and game they like, you know?
Oh, yo, grandfather,
Grandson,
yo.
you tell them, look them.
Yeah.
Me say, grandson, I be a mix up, me now move today, me want you walk on today.
The old people love mix up, you know.
You better can't go on, but look
Hold on, let me get a crowd. Hold on there.
How that?
What I go on, babes? Corona.
Who catch Corona?
Corona. Me not tell you to stay in your yard. Me not tell you to stay in your yard.
How that? Mataka.
A long time me tell you to stay in your yard. Quarantine. Grandfather, we in the pan, it's bigger than you, you know.
Listen, this one.
More you want to talk, more here too.
Remember saying them saying
Yo, shut up, man.
virus longer in your throat.
So that's why they can't get sick with some food and with throat strong.
Yeah, but that not stop you from catching it. And the sperms now when you swallow it, it burn out the coronavirus. That's what the video.
Allah, from all along.
Hold on, grandson, hold on.
All along.
Hold on, grandson.
And that can't be the cure,
What your
man.
girl have? Corona?
Yeah, nah.
Grandson, you don't know what you have to go do. Eh?
If I look like if I get ahead in a life, you know.
Go get ahead in your life, grandson.